Welcome to Epic Spanish Journey. Can you guess the sport in Spanish just by looking at the image? Let's find out. Are you ready? Let's start with an easy one. Do you know how to say soccer in Spanish?
Fútbol.
And how do you say tennis?
Tenis.
That was easy, right? Next image. What do you see?
Baloncesto.
Do you know this one?
Natación.
Don't worry, the level will get harder little by little.
Ciclismo.
What about this one? Do you know the word?
Balonmano.
You're doing great! Try this one.
Correr.
And this?
Esquí.
One more. What's the Spanish word for track and field?
Atletismo.
Last one before we raise the difficulty level. Do you know it?
Rugby.
Let's go with the medium level. What sport is this?
Béisbol.
Next image.
Boxeo.
This one was tricky. Try this one.
Patinaje.
How many have you gotten right so far? Here's another.
Equitación.
What's the name of this sport in Spanish?
Escalada.
Let's see this one.
Buceo.
Great job! Let's go for another one.
Ping pong.
That one wasn't that hard. Next one.
Golf.
We studied this word in one of our stories. Do you remember?
Voleibol.
Last challenge before we enter hard mode.
Vela.
Let's go! What's the Spanish word for weightlifting?
Halterofilia.
Keep it up! Let's go with this one.
Piragüismo.
Have you ever practiced this sport?
Esgrima.
What's its translation in Spanish?
Salto con pértiga.
We're getting close to the end. Can you recognize this one?
Natación sincronizada.
Amazing job! Let's try with javelin throw.
Lanzamiento de jabalina.
Let's try the next sport.
Salto de trampolín.
Only 3 left. What do you see?
Patinaje artístico.
One more.
Tiro con arco.
The last one. Do you know the word?
Lucha libre.
Awesome work today! Were you able to guess them all? Let me know in the comments. And tell me what you think about this kind of video. See you next time!